welcome back to my channel. This is SMJ, and today I'm going to talk about all the products which I have bought from Mama Earth. As I have a combination skin, so I'll tell you the number of products what I use and what actually works for me. So I hope that if you too have a combination skin, so it might work for you too. Even though actually Mama Earth claims that it is for all skin types. So let's just quickly go ahead and take a look at what all I have bought. So let's get started. So the first one here is vitamin C face mask, which is with vitamin C and kaolin clay. And guys, kaolin clay is very much good for your skin, as you can Google it if you want to know more about it. And vitamin C, we all know, does wonders to your skin. So this is my go-to mask, which I, apply just for 15 to 20 minutes before going out, and it leaves my skin very much smooth and shiny. So the second one here is Upton face mask. I'm sure that every Indian girl knows the importance of Upton on your skin for sure, and it actually does that. So this is my second go-to mask, guys. I actually apply it overnight and wash it in the morning, and it leaves your skin so smooth and closes the pores also. So the third one here is Upton body scrub with turmeric and saffron. I'm sure that everybody is aware about the turmeric and saffron, that how rich ingredient these two are for your face and your body. So guys, this product I actually just bought it just to give it a try, but I actually fell in love with it, and this is an amazing product. You won't regret. The fourth one here is Upton face wash with again turmeric and saffron. So like I mentioned for the body scrub with the same two ingredients, so this also does the same thing. So I believe that this is my fourth or the fifth tube of face wash, as my mother and my brother also uses the same. So you can definitely imagine that how good this must be. So you can definitely give it a try. The fifth one is Bye Bye Dark Circles. So, yes, guys, this actually works for your dark circles, and it's not just me. In fact, my mom is also using this one, and this is also our third or the fourth tube which we have ordered, and it is great. The next product here is Onion Scalp Serum, which promotes healthy hair growth. So, guys, to be honest, I have actually never used a serum on my hair ever in my life. So, this product I actually just ordered just to give it a go, that how exactly it works. It says men and women and of age 15 years and above. So I think it is good. If any one of you has actually used it, so please do let me know in the comment section below that how it actually works, and what is the review. And I'll also use it, and then I'll give you the review as well. The last product which I ordered was onion hair mask. I never really applied any mask, or apart from oiling my hair, I never really applied any other product on my hair. So this is going to be the first time, because I was really looking forward to the hair range of Mama Earth. So I will use it and give you the review in my next video. Alright guys, so these were the products which I'm using since months now from Mama Earth, and I do have three personal favorite products. One is the under eye cream, which is for dark circles, and the second one is the Upton face wash, and the third one is vitamin C face mask. So yeah, and I hope that you like this small video, guys, and if you wish, you can definitely go ahead and purchase it. It is not a sponsored video from Mama Earth, it is just my personal review on the products which they are making. And there are always discounts available on their website, so you can always avail them. So well, thank you so much for your time. Do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Have a nice one. Take care. Bye bye.